Hi guys, this is Shelly from Valentino Beauty Pure. Today I have my model Cecile and we'll be doing a glitter fade in into clear. It's perfect for summer right now. I'm gonna use the Valentino cuticle bit to clean up her cuticles. Start the prepping. As you guys can see, the cuticle's already coming off. Cecile, how you feel with the cuticle bit?
It feels fine.
Feels fine?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't even hurt, right?
It's comfortable.
Okay, now we're gonna go with the sander. You guys can also use a hand file. We're just gonna remove the shine, no need to make any pressure. Okay, so there it is. We removed the shine. We're gonna place the form, our new Valentino forms. We're gonna grab the sticker, we're gonna place it in the back. This will give it a little bit of more sturdiness. We're gonna bend it a little bit to create a shape. I try to keep my forms as straight as possible. So if you're happy, press it and seal it right there. So I'm gonna use Valentino Dehydrator and Valentino Super Bond. Dehydrator first, and then the Super Bond. So we're gonna use Valentino Crystal Clear for this set. We're also gonna use the Valentino 132, and we're also gonna use Valentino 135. So now we're gonna place that first bead extremely thin on the free edge. Now we're going to start with the 132. We're going to create a gradient effect with this glitter. Very, very easy to work with. A good thing about these glitters, they're already mixed with the clear, so you don't have to waste time mixing your own glitters or wasting time putting that first bead of clear and then putting a loose glitter on top. So this is basically saving me some time. We want to fade it in basically into nothing, because our tip is going to be completely clear. Now we're going to go ahead and use the pink one, which is the 135. We're not going to create much thickness because we need to cap it with clear. All glitters must be capped with clear. If they're not capped, when you file, you're going to file it off. So now we're going to go back with the clear, capping and building the extension at the same time. Placing a bead at the tip, and I'm dragging it up, blending it in with the other bead that I just placed, and at the same time giving it the shape that I want. When I'm working with clear extensions, I like to use my clear a little bit more wetter than usual. One of the reasons I do this is because it's more transparent, less bubbling, so it's easier to conquer that crisp, clear look that you guys want. Okay, so now let's get close to the cuticle and let's cap that glitter. Close enough, pushing it back a little bit with the tip of your brush, making sure that you do not touch the cuticle. Okay, so the building is done. Now we just go ahead and start filing as soon as this is dry. Okay, so now this is ready to remove the form. You could just stick your nail in there and pop it right off. Okay, so I'm gonna start filing. I like to file with a medium coarse carbide bit. I basically do most of my shaping with the bits. I just like it because I finish faster. But you guys can also use the hand file if you guys prefer. A pointer for you guys, every time that you guys are filing long extensions, make sure that you guys hold her finger properly, the nail bed, because when we file, we may disturb that nail plate a little bit, so just make sure that you guys hold it well and properly so it won't hurt her. There's not much filing that I needed to do, honestly. If you apply those beads and that structure as perfect as possible, you don't need to overfile that much. It saves you time. So now I'm gonna place cuticle oil around the cuticle. So now I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with my cone bit. I like to use this bit because it leaves a nice finish around the cuticle area, and also with the oil it will reduce the friction and take off any type of cuticle that I had left. It gives it a more natural appearance around the cuticle area. So that's sealed. Now we're going to grab the hand file and finish the shaping. It's very important that you guys have straight lines. It's very, very important. It just adds neatness and beauty to your nail. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and buff that out. Make sure you guys file the edges of your buffer. You don't wanna cut your clients. Let's clean the nail surface and get it ready for the top coat. Make sure you guys also clean it underneath. You want to make sure we see that clear. We're going to use our Valentino non-wipe top coat. And there you go, it's ready. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
I know what you saw was a little bit more advanced, but we need you to keep practicing and practicing. And when you fall down, you need to get up again and again and again and never get discouraged. Nothing happens overnight. The amount of times I've failed at making acrylic or a machine or anything, but I keep persevering and going forward. I'm asking you girls to really listen to what I'm telling you. I know how much you guys ask me for advice, and this is the best advice that I could possibly give you, is keep moving forward and fail forward. Keep failing forward, and I promise you, you will win.